GoHighLevel just dropped one of the biggest AI super agent updates yet to date. If you've been using AI super agents or waiting for them to actually be fully functional, this changes everything. In this video, I'm going to walk you through every major update, show you exactly how these features works and how to use these tools to automate more of your business inside of GoHighLevel. So I'm just going to walk you through these updates. I don't want to waste any of your time. Guys, I had to create this video ASAP because this is literally huge. Like, this could change everything, especially for other platforms. So first thing, you need to go to AI Super Agents. If you know where that is, you're going to come right in your high-level dashboard. You're going to come right to AI Agents. You're then going to come to Agent Studio, and you'll be brought to a page that looks just like this. So first things first, if you do not know what AI Super Agents are or how to use them, I will be linking a tutorial at the end of this video that's going to go through everything step by step. So please watch the video that pops up at the end of this one because it's going to explain all this if you don't know what it is. But either way, if you know what it is or not, you need to watch this video because this is a huge update. So to show you this update, I'm actually going to click an existing AI super agent. Again, you can build one. This update will show the same, but I'm going to show you what this is. There's also a bonus update, but we're going to click edit agent. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come right here to apps and we're going to click this or add app. Now, when we click this, something crazy happens. There are all these different apps that we have access to via the MCP connection. Guys, before I really get into this, this is huge. Because this literally means that we can connect the super agent to legit platforms like Notion, okay? Platforms like Amplify, okay? Platforms like HubSpot. Guys, HubSpot. Literally, we can connect it to HubSpot and all these other platforms, and they keep adding these in. When we started, it was just Notion and just Lead Connector. That was it. But now we can connect super agents to these other platforms. Guys, I'm telling you right now, this is huge for two massive reasons. Number one, this basically means your AI super agent, by being connected to any other platform or anything on this list, is way smarter now. It can tap into way more stuff. But more importantly, and this is really the number two thing, is that there's so many different users on Notion, Amplify, HubSpot, Make, Fathom, Calendly, Canva, et cetera, okay, that if you connect this to, this opens up a whole new pool of people you can sell GoHighLevel to. Because HubSpot, Amplify, all these other places, they don't have really good super agents. They don't really have AI agents at all. They suck. It's like a chatbot. That means you can build out legit super agents, connect them via the MCP connection, and then you can sell to people on HubSpot. It's just such an opportunity, and so many people are going to miss this, and it's going to be because they're going to think they can only sell within a certain niche, but this opens up the door to existing users, which is like so many people, and it's easier to sell those people because they already stand the value of software and AI. And guys, like, I could literally geek out about this for the next like 30 minutes. I'm not going to because we need to go over more stuff, but just know that this is absolutely huge. So the way you're going to connect these, okay, just like I said before, you're going to come to super agents, you're going to add app, then you're going to pick whatever one you want. And you're very simply just going to click it. When you click it, you're going to connect. It's going to prompt you for your account name, your email. You're going to click continue. And it's going to go through and it's going to connect you and log you into Notion. And then they will be connected. It's as simple as that. And guys, you can do this with any of these. If we come to Amplify, connect, same thing. It's going to ask for your token. Again, HubSpot, we come right here, same thing. You go through all of these and you connect them just like that. That is how unbelievably powerful this is. You just put your exact name and your email. And if you guys want to see a video of me literally walking through this, even though it's just clicking buttons, let me know and I can connect something like Calendly or any of these so you can see exactly how this works. I think you'll really, really get a lot out of it. But that's if you want that. So drop a comment down below if you want to see that. Or if you have questions in general, drop a comment down below. But like, this is huge. Like, this is revolutionary. Like, this changes everything. And I know you're probably like, oh my gosh, the GHO Wizard is just hyping this up. No, I'm not, because I've been waiting for this for a while. Because before it was just connecting AI chatbots maybe to another CRM, but this is like legitimately integrating a GoHighLevel super agent into another platform. And as you know, HubSpot is a competitor of GoHighLevel. So if you have this, you now can dip into this world and start selling these people because you have a real solution. That is why this is absolutely a huge game changer. So again, to connect it, you come right in here, you click add app, click this right here, whatever one, click connect, fill in the info, click continue, and it'll just prompt you through some basic stuff. So that's really the first thing. The second little bonus update that I want to show you, again, this is more of just a bonus one, but if we click this, there's all these other triggers now. Before, it was literally just form submitted. That was it. Now we have like all these other opportunities where we can actually trigger these AI agents, okay, the ones inside of GoHighLevel, these super agents, to do all these other things. Guys, just know this is huge and you need to start playing with this because this is like a legit game changer. Okay, and lead tag, this is something they added recently. If you add lead tag, You can pretty much trigger anything with a tag. You could have a tag just walked in my door, and that could be the trigger. Like, that is huge. The fact that they added tags now, you can kind of trigger any action inside a high level, really anywhere if you set it up properly, to get these AI super agents to kick in like that. So guys, that is the update. This is absolutely just incredible. For some of you guys, you might be like, this is not that big of a deal. But for those of you who actually understand this, this is huge, and this has been in years in the making. This now opens up an entire new audience of other people that you can sell on other platforms, and they're only going to add more. I guarantee it soon. They're going to have a list that's so long, so freaking long. So really important that you dial this in, get it moving ASAP. If you guys are interested, okay, in learning more about this entire thing, MCP connections, you need one-on-one help, blah, 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 blah. You just want snapshots, all this stuff. I recommend you check out my 30-day free trial down below, because when you sign up with that, you're getting access to my entire private community, which, as you see here, is full of winners. I mean, legit winners everywhere. Okay, every training, every snapshot, Dom's bonuses, like literally more value than anyone else, and access to a ton of live calls, even ones with me, where you can hop on and talk to all these people. Guys, no one gives away what we give away. It's absolutely insane. Again, this is all free. There's no secret upsells. You can also message me whenever you want up in this right-hand corner. But again, this whole community is going to be free right down below. Take advantage of it, guys. Take advantage of it. This could be the thing that changes everything for you. I know a lot of you guys think I'm just kind of a hype beast sometimes because I get so excited, but it's because I see the future firsthand, and what I'm seeing with AI and what I'm seeing high level doing with AI is unlike anything else I'm seeing anywhere else. It is leading the charge. I'm backing these guys. I think this is the future. I'm putting all of my stake in this. If you guys want to too, I recommend you do, because guess what? You can try it for free for 30 days and check out this community. It's absolutely amazing. But also too, I have this little chat button up here. If you come in and you just want to talk to me about anything or whatever, you can just do that. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Comments drop them down below. If you want access to the community, check out the 30-day free trial or upgrade, or check out another link. But most importantly, watch the video that's about to pop up, because it's going to show you how to build super agents, what they are, how to make them really good, how to upgrade them. It's going to walk you through all of that. So thank you so much for watching, and watch the video that pops up right now.